Good morning. Today we will do the problems of exercise 4.2. The problems of properties of determinants. Properties of determinants. Now you tell any doubt from question number 1 to 5. Question number 1 to 5. Book. Question number 1 to 5. Today I am not getting your chat. Okay. Let's see again. Check again here. My chat is not visible. Now 13 participants, 13 students are here. So far as my data is concerned, there are 13 viewers. Use your live chat if it is available. Hey, you see whether it is audible, not visible, or not in your mobile. So that today I will try to use the board, whether the board is visible or not. When I'm writing, it is visible or not visible. If visible, then I will write on the board. You see. Today you see question number 5. By using properties of a determinant, you have to expand and prove that. Question number 5. See now. Question number 5. Here, starting is B plus C, C plus A plus B. First column. Second column, Q plus R, R plus P, P plus Q. And third column, Y plus Z, Z plus X, X plus Y. This is your left hand side. Use your first step. Your first step is replace row 1 by row 1 plus row 2 plus row 3. Use this. Use this operation. Row 1 replaced by row 1 plus row 2 plus row 3. Apply this. Then our first row became first row. Our first row is, if we add these three elements, B plus C plus A plus A plus B, then our result is twice of A plus B plus C, then twice of P plus Q plus R, twice of X plus Y plus Z. Check whether visible or not. Audible, visible, and this will be possible link and this is possible. Now, twice of A plus B, twice of A plus B plus C, twice of P plus Q plus R, twice of X plus Y plus Z. Other two rows remain same, no change. C plus A, R plus P, Z plus X, no change. A plus B, P plus Q, X plus Y, no change. Then next step, you take two common. Take two common from row 1. Take two common right outside. Then apply. Row 1, sorry, row 2 replaced by row 2 minus row 1. Row 3 replaced by row 3 minus row 1. Use it. Row 2 replaced by row 2 minus row 1. row 3 replaced by row 3 minus row 1. Then row 1 A plus B plus C, P plus Q plus R, X plus Y plus Z. If we use row 2 minus row 1, C plus A minus A plus B plus C, your result is minus B. Here is minus Q, here is minus Z. Is it? Sorry, minus Y. Then come to row 3, A plus B minus A plus B plus C, A plus B cancel, minus C. Similarly, here P plus Q cancels, remaining is minus R, here is minus Z. This is your next step. Then replace row 1 by row 1 plus row 2 plus row 3. Again row 1 replaced by row 1 plus row 2 plus row 3. Now check the answer. What is the result? If you add row 1, row 2, row 3 and write along row 1, your answer is coming twice of. Here B, C both are cancelled. A plus B plus C minus B minus C, that sum is only A. So it is coming A. Similarly, here Q and R cancelled, remaining is P. Here Y, Z cancelled, remaining is X. Then minus B, minus Q, minus Y along row 2. Row 3, minus C, minus R, minus Z. Then you take minus common. Taking minus common, you'll get minus, again 2. Then your remaining is your required answer. That is A, B, C, first column, P, Q, R, second column, X, Y, Z is your right hand side. Plus, you will get your right hand side. Next step, you will get your required answer here. That is your right hand side. So the important part is row 1 is replaced by row 1 plus row 2 plus row 3. Then next one is row 2 is replaced by row 2 minus row 1. Row 3 is replaced by row 3 minus row 1. And next one is row 1 is replaced by row 1 plus row 2 plus row 3. And then you take the minus common and you will get your result. Now you note down it, then proceed to the next page. Page number 120. Page number 120. Do now question number 8, first bit. Question number 8, first bit. Work out this one. Question number 8, first bit. You try first. Work out this one now. Question number 8, first bit. See now this one. You try question number 8, first bit. Actually, I'm unable to connect the chat. Whatever chat you are writing, I'm not getting it today. Some problem is arising. So you try to understand what I'm telling. If you will not follow today, again I will repeat when required. Now I will do some problems from my side. I'll discuss some more problems. Work out now. 8.1. 8, yes, sorry, question number 8, first bit. Question number 8, first bit. Quick. Similarly, after 8 first bit, you will proceed to question number 9 first bit. Work out quickly, then I will proceed. You try quickly. Work out quickly. 8.8 first bit. Question number 8 first bit. 1a square first row. 1a square. Then 1b square. 1c square. Here your instruction is to prove, to show, or sometimes we are changing that instruction. Factorize the determinant by using properties. Factorize the given determinant by using properties. Instruction may be changed, may be modified. Now I will start from left hand side. It is 1 1 1. Once again I want to tell, when 1 1 1 is along a column, use row 2 replaced by row 2 minus row 1, row 3 replaced by row 3 minus row 1. So now when 1 1 1 along a column, apply this flow. Row 2 replaced by row 2 minus row 1, row 3 replaced by row 3 minus row 1. Row 2 replaced by row 2 minus row 1, row 3 replaced by row 3 minus row 1. Why? To get 0 here and to get 0 here. If you get a 2 zeros along a row or along a column, then you can expand the determinant after applying these properties. Now apply it. No change along row 1. Here you can write equal. Equal to. I'm starting from left hand side. Now no change. So 1 a square. No change along row 1. Change row 2. Row 2 replaced by row 2 minus row 1. So 1 minus 1, it is coming 0. B minus a, this became b minus a. This became b square minus a square. Similarly, row 3. Row 3 is replaced by row 3 minus row 1. It is 0. C minus a, c square minus a square. It is your change in row 3. Change in row 3. Okay. Row 3. 1a square no change. Row 2 change. 0. B minus a, b square minus a square. Row 3, 0. C minus a, c square minus a square. Then next step. Factorize b square minus a square, it became b minus a, b plus a. Similarly, c square minus a square can be factorized as c minus a and c plus a. So we can take b minus a common along row 2, c minus a common along row 3. Write down. Taking common b minus a along row 1, row 2, and C minus A along row 3. We get here B minus A taken common into C minus A taken common. Row 1 no change, 1 A square, no change, row 1. Row 2 0, B minus A taken common, so it is 1. Then B square minus A square, if we take a B minus A, remaining is B plus A. Then along third row, if we take C minus A common, it is 0, 1, C plus A. Remember, after getting two zeros along a row or along a column, you can expand. Now expand the determinant along C1. Expand the determinant along column number 1 or along first column. If you expand, your result is here B minus A into C minus A. If you expand along C1, here you have tried. Expand along C1. Then plus minus 1 into minus 1 to the power 1 plus 1, it is positive. So 1 into, if you leave this row, this column, remaining is 1 B plus A, 1 C plus A. Other two terms are zeros, 0 into, again 0 into. So just to write 0 plus 0, not equal to write the total answer. This is the value of the determinant. It is 1. 1 into, leave this row, this column, remaining this one. Leaving this row, leaving first column, the remaining 1 plus B plus A here. Second row will be 1 C plus A. Then calculate this result. B minus A into C minus A. Here the result is C plus A. C plus A. 1 into B plus A will be subtracted, so it is a minus B minus A. Now here A cancel. Remaining is coming C minus B. C minus B. So it is B minus A, C minus A. Here it is coming C minus B. Now you take minus common from first term and from third. If you take a minus common here, it will become A minus B. If you take a minus common here, from C minus B, the term became B minus C. That minus into minus became plus, and your result will be A minus B into B minus C into C minus A, which is your right hand side. Which is your right hand side. This is your proof. Now you see whether it is visible or not visible. You see, sometimes it is not visible. Okay, you try to manage. Whatever thing I am writing on the board, I am telling simultaneously so that you can follow easily. Till then, if required, I will repeat. Today, you see, if any problem occur, I will talk after class through WhatsApp. You see, now you proceed to question number 9. Only one question is there in 9. You work out 9. Question number 9. You try to solve now. Question number 9. Work out now. Question number 9. Work out question number 9. This one. Question number 9. Quick. Then 10 first bit. 9, then 10 first bit. If you have done 9 quickly, then you proceed to 10 first bit. check the visibility. Is it visible more or less? No. It is less. It is less visible. Check which one is better.
It is
Hmm?
marker is light.
Deep marker is required. Visibility will increase. Okay, I'll see in the next class how your visibility will be clear. Go. Go. Now we'll proceed to question number 10, first bit. Complete quickly 9 and try to solve question number 10, first bit. I'll try now. Solve. Question number 10, first bit. 10, first bit. It is x plus 4, x plus 4, 2x, 2x, then 2x, x plus 4, 2x, 2x, then 2x, x plus 4, x plus, sorry, 2x again. Then next is 2x, 2x, x plus 4. We have to factorize. We have to prove this result is 5x plus 4 whole into 4 minus x. First, replace row 1 by row 1 plus row 2 plus row 3. Row 1. Now, second step. If we add all these, 2x plus 2x plus x, it is 5x plus 4. Same thing here. 2x plus x plus 4 plus 2x, it is also 5x plus 4. Here also 5x plus 4. Now no change along row 2 and row 3. Write directly 2x, x plus 4, 2x, then 2x, 2x, x plus 4. Only change along row 1. Then take common 5x plus 4 along row 1. Taking common 5x plus 4 along row 1, remaining is 1, 1, 1, 2x, x plus 4, 2x, 2x, 2x x plus 4. When 1 1 1 along one row, 1 1 1 along a row, apply this. C2 replaced by C2 minus C1 and C3 replaced by C3 minus C1. Remember this. If 1 1 1 along a row means suppose row 1, then apply C2 replaced by C2 minus C1 and C3 replaced by C3 minus C1. So that the result is, next result, see now it is 5x plus 4 and the result is now no change along C1. So write C1 first, column number 1. 1, 2x, again 2x. Column number 1 same. Column 2 will be changed. C2 will be changed. C2 minus C1. Subtract the corresponding elements and write here. 1 minus 1, it is coming 0. X plus 4 minus 2x. X plus 4 minus 2x. Your result, you calculate, it is coming 4 minus x. X plus 4 minus 2x, it is coming 4 minus x. 2x, 2x cancel, it is coming 0 now. Then C3. C3 is replaced by C3 minus C1. So 1 minus 1, it is coming 0 now. 0. 2x minus 2x, it is coming also 0. Then x plus 4 minus 2x. X plus 4 minus 2x, your result is 4 minus x. 4 minus x. Now you take common 4 minus x along row C1, C2, 4 minus x along C3. 4 minus x along C2, 4 minus x along C3. And the result will be 5x plus 4 whole into 4 minus x whole square. Remaining is 1, 2x, 2x, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1. Then you expand. If you expand along row 1, the result is coming now 1. If you expand this determinant, your result is coming 1. So this into 1 means you will get your right hand side. Remaining parts you would try to complete yourself. The remaining part you complete yourself. Remaining steps you complete yourself. Every step you must write the operations. First you write the operations, then work out. Otherwise, write the step and in the right side, right margin, write the operations you are using here. Now, proceed to question number 11, second bit. 11 second bit. Question number 11 second bit. Work out 11 second bit now. Now we'll proceed to question number 11, second bit. X plus y plus 2z. X plus y plus 2z. X, y. First row. Second row, z. Then y plus z plus 2x. Then y. Then third row, z, x. You have to prove the result is twice of plus y plus z. See now, add along this wedge. I mean C1 plus C2. If you add x, so replace C1 by C1 replaced by C1 plus C2 plus C3. You work out by your own. It may be visible or may not be visible, but I am telling the operations. You follow the operations and work out. Column 1 will be replaced by sum of column 1, column 2 and column 3. Now your second step is adding x plus y plus 2z plus x plus y. The result is twice of x plus y plus z. Here also, see now z plus y plus z plus 2x plus y. So it is also coming same 2 into x plus y plus z. Adding the elements here, z plus x plus this. The result is also coming 2 into x plus y plus z. Other two columns remain same. X, y plus z plus 2x, x, y, y, z plus x plus 2y. This one along row 1. Now you take common twice of x plus y plus z taken common along C1. So the result will be 2 into x plus y plus z taken common along C1. So the remaining result became 1, 1, 1. Along C1, all other the elements remain same. That is x, y plus z plus 2x, then x. Third column, y, y, z plus x plus 2y. Now, this is your step. What will do? If 1, 1, 1 is occurring along C1, as 1, 1, 1 is occurring along C1, apply your rule, apply the operation. Row 1, row 2 replaced by row 2 minus row 1 and row 3 replaced by row 3 minus row 1. Apply this operation. Apply this operation and proceed. You will get 0 here. You will get 0 here. Then expand along C1. Apply these operations and expand along C1. You will get your result. Check. Complete the remaining steps. Now you do the remaining steps quickly. Then I'll proceed to question number 12. Then I'll proceed to question number 12. Instantly work out. Now I'll proceed to question number 12. I'll do 12. Try quickly. Question number 12. After class, you will tell what are your doubts in your WhatsApp chat. After closing the class, I will proceed 5 minutes, last 5 minutes or last 10 minutes in WhatsApp. I will discuss the facts in WhatsApp, whether you follow or not, whether you understand the problems or not, whether visible or not, then audibility, whether I'm audible to you all or not. That I will see. Actually, now the number present is 14. That is a variation. Sometimes it is coming 19, 18, 12, 17 like this. At present, number present is showing here only 14 now, but it was 19 in the middle. The middle of the class, number present is 19, but now it is only 14 showing. I think some are closing. You see and do the problem simultaneously so that it is easy to solve and your thinking will develop. How can you think? How can you get the operation? What is our requirement? How can you solve? Don't copy from the board. You think, how can you get the clue? Why I'm using the operations? On what basis the operations are taken? I am taking two clues which is occurring in most of the problems. When 1 1 1 along C1, along C1 means column number 1. At that time, apply row 2 replaced by row 2 minus row 1 and row 3 replaced by row 3 minus row 1. Similarly, when 1 1 1 along row 1, apply C2 replaced by C2 minus C1 and C3 replaced by C3 minus C1. These are two important operations. Then you will expand the determinant along the row or column containing two zeros. As it is required to use, as it is required to use the properties, you must use properties, then expand. If you will expand directly, you will not get the mark. Okay. Now I will proceed to question number 12. This question number 12 is today's last problem. So you see question number 12. Today's last video, last question, question number 12. Here, first row, elements of first row, 1 x x square, 1 x x x square 1. These are the elements. You have to prove this result is equal to 1 minus x cube whole square. 1 minus x cube whole square. So now, first replace row 1 by row 1 plus row 2 plus row 3. See now, row 1 replaced by row 1 plus row 2 plus row 3, so that you will get, it is a symmetrical problem. You can also apply C1 replaced by C1 plus C2 plus C3. In that also you can proceed. Now you proceed with this operation. Next step, if you add the elements, it is coming 1 plus x square. Same 1 plus x square. Here also 1 plus x square. Okay. 1 plus x square, 1 plus x square, same is coming. Other two rows no change. X square 1 x, second row. Third row x square 1, no change. Then come to the next step. If we take common 1 plus x square common along row 1, here is 1 x square x 1 x square 1 x 1. Now 1 1 1 along row 1. After getting 1 1 1, after getting 1 1 1 along row 1, apply C2 replaced by C2 minus C1 and C3 replaced by C3 minus C1. Apply these two operations. Now we'll get 1 plus x square into no change along this C1 no change. Column 1 x square x. Here 1 minus 1 is 0. 1 minus x square 1 minus x square, it is 0 1 minus x square. Then here x square minus x square minus x. If you take, it is your x square minus x. C3 1 minus 1, C3 replaced by C3 minus C1. C3 replaced by C3 minus C1. It is 1 minus 1 0, x minus x square 1 minus x, 1 minus x. Now you can factorize 1 minus x square. If we factorize 1 minus x square, here 1 minus x, 1 plus x. If we take x common here or minus x common here, it became x minus x into 1 minus x. Similarly here, if you take x common, x into 1 minus x, here 1 minus x already present. So take common 1 minus x along C2 and C3. Take common 1 minus x along C2 and C3. Then you will get 1 minus x whole square first. Then expand along row 1. Expand along row 1. After expanding along row 1, you will get the result 1 plus x square again. This result will come again. X 1 plus x square will come again. It will come again. So that you will get 1 minus x into 1 plus x square will be 1 minus x cube. You will get the result. Then apply the formula. 1 minus x into 1 plus x square. This result is 1 minus x cube. As you are getting square of this, so the result will be 1 minus x cube whole square. This will come. So remaining steps you try to complete here. I think you can complete the remaining problems. Now listen to me what I'm telling. Today you try to complete the remaining problems. And if any doubt, just in chat, you will write in your WhatsApp. Just after class, you can tell, or tomorrow before starting the class, you can tell me your doubts in WhatsApp so that I will solve here. Today, you know how to solve the problems by using properties of determinants. Either factorize or simplify or prove that or show that. Such questions are involved here. Very few questions are left. You try to solve by your own. Now I am closing the class. I will come back to your WhatsApp if time permits. Next class, I am having class in standard 10. So I am closing here and I will discuss later on and you give your feedback. Okay. Thank you all. Thank you all. Close कर दे.